I've been diving deep into the world of AI and online money-making, and what I've found might surprise you. Artificial intelligence isn't just for tech geniuses anymore. It's becoming a powerful tool for anyone looking to make money online. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is AI and how can it help me make money? Well, AI, or artificial intelligence, is like having a super smart assistant that can analyze data, make predictions, and even create content faster than any human. It's revolutionizing industries left and right, and the online business world is no exception. The interesting part is that AI isn't just for big corporations anymore. It's becoming more accessible to everyone, including beginners like you and me. Affiliate marketing and e-commerce are two popular ways to make money online that AI is transforming. In affiliate marketing, AI can help you find the best products to promote, optimize your content for search engines, and even predict which offers are likely to convert best. It's like having a marketing expert working for you 24/7. For e-commerce, AI is a game changer. It can help you manage inventory, personalize product recommendations for customers, and even set dynamic pricing to maximize your profits. Plus, AI-powered chatbots can handle customer inquiries, freeing up your time to focus on growing your business. Content is king in the online world, and AI is making it easier than ever to create high-quality content consistently. From writing articles to generating video scripts, like this one, AI tools can help you produce content faster and more efficiently. When it comes to digital marketing, AI is like having a data analyst and strategist rolled into one. It can, help you understand your audience better, optimize your ad campaigns, and even predict future trends. But don't worry, you're still in control, guiding the AI to create content that reflects your unique voice and style. With AI, you can make data-driven decisions that boost your online presence and, ultimately, your income. Customer service with AI can be a powerful tool for building customer loyalty and increasing sales. AI is making waves in stock trading, analyzing market trends, and predicting price movements. AI-powered platforms can help beginners make more informed decisions. Though remember, all trading involves risk. For writers and copywriters, AI can help generate ideas, outline articles, and even assist in writing drafts. In social media marketing, AI can determine the best times to post and analyze engagement rates. For SEO, AI tools can analyze search trends, suggest keywords, and help optimize your content to rank higher. AI can automate repetitive tasks, manage your schedule, and help prioritize your workload. This means you can focus on the big picture aspects of your business, while AI handles the day-to-day grunt work. Many entrepreneurs have already leveraged AI to scale their businesses and achieve remarkable success. Let me introduce you to Sparky AI, a powerful tool designed to help beginners start in network or affiliate marketing. Sparky AI offers a user-friendly dashboard where you can manage all your marketing campaigns in one place. It automates email marketing, sending personalized messages to your audience based on their behavior and preferences. With Sparky AI, you can schedule social media posts, analyze engagement, and optimize your content strategy. The platform also includes tools for affiliate marketing, helping you track performance and maximize your earnings. Sparky AI's advanced analytics provide insights into your campaigns, allowing you to tweak and improve your strategies in real time. The benefits of using Sparky AI include increased efficiency, better targeting, and higher conversion rates. To use Sparky AI effectively, start by setting clear goals for your campaigns and let the AI guide you through the process. Many users have reported significant growth in their network and affiliate marketing efforts thanks to Sparky AI. Want to know more about Sparky AI? Click the link below. And if you found this helpful, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Your AI-powered future starts now. We'll see you in the next video. God bless.